welcome to my channel. It's your boy Ranky FX, and if it's your first time, I welcome you specially to this channel. So basically, this topic will be on the beginners level in trading. Those that are aspiring to become a trader, this topic is basically for you, and it's a very important one. So before we dive into what the topic is talking about, if it's your first time, I'd like you to subscribe for more content like this and updates, and don't forget to click the like button. The topic will be on the concept of trading. Yeah, the concept of trading, as you can see on my screen, the concept of trading. So I'll be talking on what trading is all about, the truths in the trading market, and type of market we are supposed to be trading. So trading in general is an online business, as we all know, that deals with buying and selling of instruments and shares. And trading has to do with the knowledge and your ability to apply the knowledge. It's not only you knowing stuff in the trading industry, but also applying it is also very important as a trader. So trading is a skill, and in every skill, it requires process to master. So in every skill, maybe example, someone that is learning a skill like a tailoring skill or a cooking skill, or a fashion designer, or someone that's learning a skill, it doesn't just get good at it overnight. You have to keep on practicing before you're getting better, and when you become a master and can able to teach other people. So bringing that concept into trading, they are all the same. Trading also has to do with the skill. You have to practice. You have to know how the market is moving. You have to know what happens to the fundamental level. And with those practice, with years, you begin to get to the master level, and you can be able to teach other people because you have fully mastered the skill, and it's already in you. So, and again, trading can be done anywhere in the world as long as you have your laptop, internet connection, and some few bucks, some few money, some few cash. Because trading is, as I said, general can gives freedom. Because as a trader, and you're trading, it gives you the allowance to be free. So as long as you have your internet connection and you have your laptop and your money with you, you can trade anywhere in the world. So that is one good thing about trading. It's time freedom. It gives freedom, time freedom. Let's look at the type of market a forex trader trade or participate in market. There are different markets a trader participates in. So as a trader, you must be involved in one or two of these markets, because when you make money from one of these markets, that's what qualify you as a trader. So someone can tell you he's a forex trader because he trades the forex market. Someone can tell you he's a crypto trader because he trades the crypto market. Someone can tell you he's a stock trader because he trades the stock market. Someone can tell you he's a futures trader because he trades the futures market. So these markets right here are markets that traders participate in and make their money from. They go to buy and sell. Like in the forex market, this deals with currency pairs like GBP, pairs like euro, pairs like yuan, pairs like dollar. So we go there to buy them and sell them in the forex market. Then in the crypto market, we deal with things like the BTC, the Bitcoin, the Litecoin, the Ripple, the XRP. We deal with the USDT. We deal with pairs like the BNB. So these are pairs that crypto traders deal with. This is where they make their money from. And we have the stock market. This involves things like the Apple. This way they go to buy share and hold it for a long time. Shares like the Apple, shares like the Coca-Cola, shares like Nike. All these are where the investors goes in, buy shares and hold for a long time or a short period of time to make money and out of the market. And we have the futures market. This deals with the US 30, the Nasdaq, the S&P 500. These are also where traders also make their money from, where they go to buy and sell these stocks, because they are all various markets. So in this market here, they all are classified under trading market. So as a trader, you must be involved in one or two of these markets in order to make money. Let's move now to the truth about the financial market, about traders, because this truth is basically for beginners, or let me just say for the aspiring traders, because I've seen many people that want to come into the industry with different mindsets about trading. But I'm going to reveal to you guys the truth about trading here, and it is very important that you pay attention, because it's going to help you when you enter into the industry, so that you won't fail as a trader. So the first of all on my list here is financial trading is a business. It is not betting and it is not fraud. Yes, if you're someone that likes to play bets like sporty bets and one x bets, that likes to place bets, when you come into the industry, you have to drop that betting mentality aside, because financial trading, because trading in the trading industry, it has to deal with risk to reward. It has to deal with risk management. So in betting, there's no risk management, but in trading, you can manage your risk. So you have to treat trading as a business, because this with percentage game. It's not just millions overnight. You have to deal with how much you make in a day, how much you make in a month, something like that. So trading is a business, not for betting, and it's not for they're not scamming you in the trading. So if you are being scammed in the trading industries, you met the wrong people, because in everything that has a scamming or a fake product always has the original. So trading has the original way of trading. The financial market has the original way of making money. So it's not a fraud. You can make your money on the forex market genuinely. The number two here is financial trading deals with long term. It's not a get rich quick scheme. Like I say, you have to think it in a long term. You have to think it, okay, how many percentage am I to make this year, or am I making in a month, or something like that. So it's not a get rich quick scheme. You cannot just make millions in trading overnight, because it has to take time. Just like wealth, it takes time to build. So trading takes time to build. You have to first of all learn, and then you practice, then you move from small accounts to bigger accounts. From there you check how much you make in a month. At least 2%, 3% is not bad for you as a trader. It's just the size of the capital that matter. So it's a long-term business. You cannot just come and get rich quick in the business overnight. Then the third one is financial trading also deal with losses. Strategy is not the only good. Like I see many people online posting strategy and all of that. So I'm here to tell you that strategy is not the whole matter in trading. It's just 10% of trading. So as a trader, it's good to have your strategy, your working strategy, but you also have to keep other things in check. Your discipline, your risk management, your psychology, what to do before and what to do after trading is very important, because not only strategy, every strategy out there work. It's just who is using the strategy that it's important to. So there's also losses, because every strategy is not 100% winning rate. There will always be losses. You will always encounter losses in the market, but just like it's a mathematical game. So it's when you lose, how much I'm like what percentage do you lose, and when you are gaining or when you are winning, how much do you win? So is that is the real deal in the forex market, not about the strategy, because every strategy has its win rate, and even though your win rate is low, you can still make money from the market as long as your risk to reward is high. Then the last one is there is no luck in trading. Learn before you earn. Yes, there's no luck in the trading industry or in the trading market. It's that you learn before you earn. Like I say, it's a skill. So you have to first of all learn the craft and how it works before you start making money in the trading industry, because you have to first of all understand the language of the market. So when you are able to understand the language of the market, you are able now to communicate in order to buy and sell. So forex industry has its own language, and there is no luck in this trading, because if you say it's luck, then you will not be having an edge. So an edge is what always play out for us 50% of the time. It's a probability. You're not certain. Always probability. So you might end up today on loss, or you might end up in win, or you might end up with loss throughout, or you might end up with win throughout. But what matters there is when you are winning, how much do you make? And when you're losing, what percentage are you losing? So this this topic right there, these four things listed there is very important to have as a beginner trader, to have in mind, in the back of your mind, so that you won't make a mistake, or you won't stay in the market losing as a losing trader for a very long time. Always be willing to learn in the forex market. So don't waste your time. I thank you for the time to watch, for staying to the end of this video. And if you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section and I'll get back to you on that section. And if it's your first time, also like, if you enjoy and you get something insightful from this video, also drop a like to reach out to other people. Also subscribe for more content like this.